Practice problem 10. So A and B are both to find the greatest common divisor. Again, like what we do for LCM, we first decompose both numbers into prime factorization. 100 equals to 4 multiplied 25. 4 is 2 to the power of 2. 25 is 5 to the power of 2. So now into is in all the prime numbers. And then 63 is 3 multiplied 21. That is 3 to the square multiplied 7, right? So we need to find their common number that can be divided by both 100 or 63. Then we look at these, there is basically none. Because here's 2, here's 5, here's 3, and 7. There is no common divisor except 1. And we hope the students will go through this same process to decompose 72, 240, 288, and then find out the common divisor and greatest common divisor. There may be more than one, but find the biggest, greatest common divisor through the same process. And GCD of these two numbers are relatively big. The student can take several steps to decompose these into prime factorization.